This is just a quick video on the Domino garage door keypad. This is pretty much compatible with every garage door opener. This is a wired keypad. Basically, you drill a hole over here and over here to let the wire go through. Keypad is right there. Control module will go into the wall also. This one is actually a button to operate the garage door. You push it, and then you can either set it on operate or program. When it's on the program, you can enter up to a 6-digit code over here and program it. And then when you're done programming, you put it on operate, and it pretty much just hooks up like that. I'm cleaning it up a little bit. I have this wire going through, and basically you hook it up to the garage door opener. For this particular one, this situation over here, the board on my garage door opener is broken, and I can't program any remotes to it, so I needed a solution that was like a hard wire, and this is what I ended up with. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit, and yeah, this is a perfect solution for someone who wants a keypad outside that has a broken wireless wireless board on their garage door opener. I tried all the universal remotes and they didn't work, and this was my last solution because I did not want to change the garage door opener. I got this and the wire on Amazon for about 50 bucks. 50 bucks is a lot better to spend than $450. So this is my temporary, if not permanent, solution to my problem of not being able to open the garage door from the outside. Very easy to use, very easy to install. All you need is a drill bits and some wire. That's it. Domino engineering solved all my issues. I'm gonna do something about this so that it's not hitting. A little bit of silicone in there, and that's it.